All right, so I took off school yesterday, and my substitute has left me a gift. It says, Mr. Ross, it was a pleasure to sub for you today. I left a little something for you. Your classes are all amazing. Lintia Chase. Now, I hate taking off work because every teacher hates taking off work because you have to do so much work to make sure the kids have enough work to do and it's meaningful work, and you got to grade all that work. And you don't want them sitting being ridiculous and playing cards or just disrupting or doing stupid stuff, because if you don't know any better, subs are not trained to be teachers, so they don't know any better. The kids are gonna try them. So you're always worried about making sure the kids don't do that. So she left me the gift. I just opened it. I realized this is worth recording. I stayed up all day and night the night before preparing for the work I need to give my students, just making it and improving it so there was meaningful work, so they actually got the work done, they could learn from the work, even though I wasn't here, and so that they would behave, while I was out, because they was doing something, they were actually learning something while I was gone. So I was really stressed. It's my first day taking off this year, and it's the middle of November. But yeah. So she got this teacher's treasure box, teacher appreciation, and a thank you card here. Thank you for all you do. And it says, with appreciation, teacher treasure box. Follow us on Instagram at teacher treasure box. Just a little something to show you I greatly appreciate it for all your hard work and patience while teaching our children. I gotta say, God works in serious ways. He must heard me stressed out the night before. I didn't sleep at like 4 a.m. improving those Desmos classroom assignments, actually Amplify classroom assignments that I was making with those students. And look at this. Got a little trophy. Looks like this right here is some lotion. Looks like this right here is some chapstick. I needed some chapstick today. I just ran out. Got a beach towel. Got what these bags are called. One of these bags, reusable bags we can use. And then there's something here inside plastic wrap. Okay. One of those reusable cups. And let's see, this right here looks like I don't know, I think it's a beach ball. Not sure, but like something I can blow up, do something fun with, a toy of some kind. It's a pair of white sunglasses. I gotta say, this was completely unexpected. Of my 23 years of being a teacher, never once have I gotten a gift from my substitute, the person I worry about, who I never get to see, never actually know who they are. Never once have I gotten a gift from my sub, and the day I got one. So if you guys check this out, apparently this is a business, and the business is about giving gifts to teachers. And it's called Teacher Treasure Box, and it's on Instagram. And that's it. Well, anyway, thank you, Mrs. What's her name again? Ms. Chase, thank you very much for what you did. And for everybody else out there who's never thought about sending a gift to the teacher, this is a great opportunity to do so. God bless.